So yeah, hey guys, I wanna show you how to be a proper butterfly developer. The first step to that, of course, is to clone Betaflight, which is junk, of course. So you wanna set up a quarantine on your computer so you do not get a virus. I really like DigitalOcean. You can just rent a free server from them, cheapest package is fine, and that way Betaflight do not have to be on your computer. So yeah, you can just enable these keys so you can log into your machine and create one. You just have to wait a little bit and it will get created. Then here's the IP address, and you only need that, you do not need this any further. Okay, so here is your screen. What you gotta do is SSH into your machine, just type root and paste in the IP address, and yes, our virtual machine is ready now. So yeah, you can just SSH into it. It's gonna take some time for the first time. Yeah, there it is. Yes, we accept it, and there we go. Okay, first you gotta install git because you have to use that. Not upgrade, update. Yeah, so you can just update your information. I'm just gonna speed it up. Okay, and then you have to install git. It's pretty easy. Just apt install git, and there we go. Okay, now you have to clone the Betaflight repository, which is hard, I know. It's Betaflight, so it's crap, but you have to do that. Just git clone. No, sorry, you have to copy the address of the repository, which is right there. Just copy and paste it right here. Press enter. Easy enough. Okay, and now the repo is on our computer. You just have to go into it, cd Betaflight, there we go. And now what you have to do is search for Betaflight, the string Betaflight. Okay, and as you can see, there are quite a few mentions of Betaflight, unfortunately, but not too much. It's not a big deal. So what you have to do now is open your favorite text editor, which is available through the command line. I really like Nano, and check out all these files and change Betaflight to Butterflight. And there you have it. Now you are a Butterfly developer. Congratulations. The next step will be to remove features, you know, safety features, anti-tez, and yaw spin prevention.
A few moments later.
Okay, so now you have removed all mentions of Betaflight. I hope you can do that. Now you are in the Betaflight folder. Now you have to remove the safety features, of course, because it's Butterflight. So you have to go and see where anti-tez is set up, for example, so you can remove its defined, because that's how you completely remove feature. So you go to source, target, nope, source, sorry, main, target, perfect. And now you have to search for it, because you have no idea what the code looks like, of course. And yeah, so you just search for it, and sure enough, there it is. It's in Common FC Pre, so just open that. Okay, and now you can look it up. And yes, there it is. So you just have to Bam! Remove that line. And now you have Butterfly on your computer, so now you can transfer this repository to your computer because it's free of viruses, of course. And now you can start working on it, you know, making useless changes, removing stuff. Be creative. Congratulations and see you next time.